We will change this flower's color. First, let's open up Premiere Pro CC 2019 and create a project. Right-click the left pane and select Import to import your video. Right-click it, and select New Sequence from Clip. Make sure you are on the Effects tab. On the right, open the Lumetri presets and then Cinematic. Drag to strip onto the video. In the Effects controls on the top left, expand HSL Secondary. Click the eyedropper near Set Color, and select the color range you want to replace or change. Scroll down, check Show Mask, then select Color, Black. Change the hue, saturation and lights until you can only see the object you are focusing. Disable Show Mask, scroll down and click the three balls icon. On the color pickers, select the color you want to change the object to, then lower their bars. Add some blur in order to make it softer and more realistic. Scroll up, click on Add Color, and press the area on the object to add more of the new color range. Do it multiple times. Turn active on and off while playing to see the difference. All done. Please subscribe.